Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial of what3words, and today I'll show you how to use what3words' function in Japan Travel by NAVITIME. Japan Travel by NAVITIME is one of the largest navigation service providers in Japan with a total of over 50 million users, and the app is a tool to help resolve problems commonly faced by overseas tourists in Japan. It provides every information you need from finding baggage storages to sightseeing spots, restaurants, onsens, and more. Japan Travel has become the first navigation app in Japan to accept what3words. Travelers can now search for and navigate to incredible travel destinations throughout Japan easily and accurately by inputting 3 simple words. So let me show you how you use it. When you open the app, the map will show you nearby places you can go to and explore. And when you hit the search button on the top of the screen, you'll see a drop-down menu which includes what3words. Once you select what3words, you can enter a 3-word address. So in my case, I'll enter answer, hardens, dance. And when you enter it, the auto-suggest will give you 3 intelligent suggestions based on your current location. And once you select the correct 3-word address, it'll pin it on the map. Similarly, you can also enter start and end points for route planning with a 3-word address. So I can also enter the same 3-word address on the destination point to check which transportation is currently available to navigate there, including other options such as walking or driving. And that's it. Don't forget to use Japan Travel by NAVITIME for your next trip to Japan. Thank you and see you in another tutorial.